welcome back to my channel. Sister were painting whole day. We gave ourselves a treat by cooking our favorite Maggie. So after that we again continued the cleaning. Here I was having this old trolley which I painted using white oil paint, and I totally loved the look. The white oil paint was giving a very classy, fresh and new look to this trolley. I went to do some shopping. Then obviously I started cleaning all the things again. I also sort this trolley and I really love the look after keeping all my books and other stuff. So I want to tell you all that these are all the temporary things which I am keeping here and there. I have ordered some furniture from IKEA, so I am waiting for that, and then it will be final distribution of all the stationery that I still have here. And then again I cleared this desk.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel
to see the next part of this vlog.
Also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Till then, bye bye.